Hello guys, I am Uma and I am here to explain about the hormones and the hormones mechanisms. So first is hormones. Hormones are the chemical messengers. Next is hormones receptors. Hormones receptors are present on the cell membrane to receive the hormones released from the endocrine glands or exocrine glands also. Endocrine glands are ductless gland which releases the hormones released into the bloodstream as they are ductless, and the membrane bound receptors. So membrane bound receptors are present on the cell membrane. The hormones bind to the target tissues by binding to a specific protein called the hormones receptors. So again, the nuclear receptors. Nuclear receptors are present on the nucleus inside the cell. Hormones are specific to specific receptors. Certain biochemical changes occurs in the target tissues, and the hormones are of different types. First are amino derivatives. So amino derivatives are example epinephrine, norepinephrine, acetylcholine, allothreonins, that are thyroid hormones. Second is steroids, estrogen, aldosterone, progesterone. These all are steroid hormones. Next is peptide hormone. Peptide hormones are mainly the hormones released from the hypothalamus or pituitary. Insulin and glucagon released from the pancreas also are the peptide hormones. Now there are intracellular receptors are also present on the cell membrane of the target cell. Now the mechanism for lipid soluble hormones. Lipid soluble hormones are the hormones which are lipid soluble, so they directly enters into the cell membrane. They are lipid soluble, and plasma membrane are made up of phospholipids mainly, so that they are soluble and they enters into the cell membrane directly. They enters into the nucleus also, and they start making hormone receptor complex inside the nucleus, and this is the nuclear membrane. They go under inside, and this is the receptor complex, hormone receptor complex. This is the genome, and after transcription they will make mRNA, and mRNA to protein via translation, as we know about the central dogma. And then physiological receptors will be generated. The tissue will grow or differentiate according to the hormone workings. Now we will talk about the hormone mechanism for the peptide hormone. So this is the cell membrane. This is the receptor molecule present here. The hormone will come and bind to the receptor present on the cell membrane, and this receptor will make a response, and it will generate secondary messenger. And it will secondary messenger, it will be AMP, cyclic AMP, or calcium 2 positive ions. They will make the biochemical responses, and after that the psychological responses will be generated. Example, the ovarian growth. I'm taking example inside the ovarian cell membrane. This was the membrane above. This was the cell membrane of ovary. And peptide hormone, I am taking example of FSH. Now this will finally generate the psychological responses, and the work will take furthermore what for this FSH has come inside the ovary. So that's all for this mechanism of the hormone.